Welcome to our easy guide on how to withdraw money from Bet365. Withdrawing your winning is crucial, and today we'll simplify the process for you. First, let's securely log into your Bet365 account using your credentials. Ensure your connection is safe. Once logged in, navigate to the cashier or banking section. This is where you'll manage your funds. Next, choose your preferred withdrawal method. Bet365 offers several options. Pick the one that's right for you. Enter the desired withdrawal amount and confirm your details. Double-check to avoid any mistakes. It's essential to understand the processing times for your chosen method, as they can vary significantly. If prompted, you'll need to verify your identity. This step follows KYC requirements to ensure your security. Finally, if you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact support or refer to the FAQ section. To recap, withdrawal from Bet365 is straightforward if you follow these steps. Happy betting and good luck!